Hello everybody, this is Abraham, and what we have today is a very interesting problem. These are the two identical boards and they don't work identically. When you connect the connector over here, it's supposed to react to the input from it. It doesn't, but if you touch the wires on the connector, it does react. And it's kind of weird. In these wires are so thick going through, you would never anticipate that this connector has any issues with it. So I pulled out the connector and this is what I found. Even though the wires are thick on the other side, they're slimming down right here. Come on, focus. Yeah, see? And when they go through the board, they're much thinner than they are on this side. And as you plug in the equipment, the connector wiggles ever so slightly, and these things just break off. So here is the two broken connectors and one good one. That's why touching these things creates an input, but by itself it doesn't work. Very interesting problem. I don't know yet how to resolve this. There's two ways that this can be done. Small drill bit to drill out the holes and put in new wires, or cut off these things and just run flex wires into the board. This metal piece is the only one that holds the connector down. It is designed to be held down by the center ground connector and the 3 pins. Not a very good design, at least not when it's been working for a while. This is what I have to deal with. Maybe this helps somebody. These boards aren't cheap, can't be found easily, they can only be repaired. Thanks for watching.